Yes, sir.
चलिए।
Hello and good evening, everyone. I'm Samiksha, and today we are seated here to discuss the promotion plan of Elemente Food for Life. So, next slide, please. At the onset, Elemente, which is a food company, launches four immunity booster products, which will be part of every kitchen because you would like your loved ones to be strong enough to fight any microorganisms and live a healthy life. You are set to see the change in your family. There are four different simple steps which you need to follow in order to live a healthy life. Start using pure cow ghee for frying or adding to your food and say goodbye to all the refined oils. Say goodbye to white sugar from your kitchen and replace it with pure honey. Spices are an immense immunity booster if you select good natural product. And finally, a virgin coconut oil has amazing therapeutic properties. The four products that the company has launched for now is the Sahiwal Pure Vedic Ghee, Tulsi Flora Honey, cold pressed virgin coconut oil, and the Himalayan curcumin turmeric powder. Now, what does Elemente has to promise to each and every customer out there? We promise to give you what is best for you and all of your loved ones. Why should you choose Elemente? That is a common question, right? So, here are some of the reasons why you should choose us. We give you pure products straight from nature, no mixing or anything in the product. The product that is given to you is of the finest quality. We pack it in premium glass jars, and the delivery, of course, is always on time. And we offer you value for your money that you give us. Next slide, please. Now, the target group. The market has been segmented into 8 different parts by us. It includes, the next slide, please. So you'll have to press enter for all the images to come. First is when the baby is inside the mother's womb. That is one of the most essential parts where you need to focus more on your nutrition for the mother as well as for the baby. Second is the infant, when the baby is just born. The nutritional needs of an infant is very different from all the other stages in a human life. The third one is a kid, which the age group of a kid ranges from 1 year to 5 years. The fourth one is sorry, the second one was a toddler actually. The third one is a kid. The age group of a kid is from 5 to 13 years. The fourth one is a teenage boy. His uh, age range is from 13 years old to 19 years old. Then comes the early adulthood, in which majority of the workforce of India comes. Then is the middle adulthood, 35 to 50 years. And finally, late adulthood, that is our elders. So with these people are our target customers, for whom we tend to make different types of products in according to their nutritional needs. Next slide, please. Now, the competitors of Elemente in the market. There are two types of competitors Elemente has in the market currently. First competition is from the domestic companies, which are the Indian based companies. And the second one is from the foreign companies, which are from different countries in the world. For the domestic companies, we have competition from Patanjali, Amul, Dabur, Mother Dairy, Hindustan Unilever, and ITC. And for foreign companies, we face competition from Nestle and Bunge Ltd. Next slide, please. Here's a little statistics of the food companies' market share in our market. As you can see, Hindustan Unilever has the biggest revenue share of all the major players in the market. It is because of its unique marketing style that it has the biggest revenue share in the market. And the second paragraph is about what type of food product has the majority of sales in the market. From this, we can actually see that cereals, grains, and oil seeds dominate the market with 40%. Then comes the packaged foods that people buy with 32%. Then comes the dairy products, all of the milk products that we see in the market with 15%. Then the beverages which we drink for 6%. Then meat and marine products for 5%. And finally, fruits and vegetables with the smallest share, that is 2%. Next slide. Now, at Elementi, before diving deep into what needs to be done and what has been done, we need to know about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and the threats that lie for us in the market. Strengths of Elementi include that not many companies out there have the similar agenda that we have. We promise to give you what's important for your health and what has been passed down through ages, through our dadimas and nanimas. And we promise quality in our product, which is not something you'll see from a lot of people nowadays, right? Second is opportunities. What awaits for us in the market? It's the fact that consumers are shifting to newer, promising contenders in the market. As we see in recent years, we've seen news of adulteration in various products by big contenders in the market. I won't like to name them, but all of us are aware of the fact. Then newer products inclusion resulting in wider range of selection. We plan to introduce more and more products in the market with the coming years that will increase our sales in the coming years. Then comes the weakness. What needs to be done and what are the areas where we lack? The thing is, we are actually new to the market right now and we don't have any established position. So that is kind of a weakness which we need to overcome and which we will overcome in the coming years. Then unfavorable partner deal model. We don't have a specific partner deal model till now. We have not partnered with any of the other company out there, which is kind of a weakness as all of the big companies like Nestle, Amul, they've all partnered with different smaller companies in order to increase their sales. We are yet to do that and we are working on that currently. Then comes the threats. What counts as a threat in the market for us right now? High competition in the industry, like we saw from the previous slides based on the statistical data. The competition is very high in the market. It is very difficult to stay. If you're monotone with your advertising skills, if you do not present something new, you are out of the market. There's no place for you. So that's it. Now, as Bryant H. McGill once said, whatever makes you uncomfortable is your biggest opportunity for growth. So the weakness that we just saw, there's no need to sit back and fear it. The only thing that we need to do is find a way to overcome it. So here we are. Here I am introducing a new affiliates promotion plan in order to overcome those weaknesses. Now, what is affiliate marketing? So you'll have to press enter in order to know. Yeah. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. Like long story short, it's a way of marketing in which you use a third person to promote your products, and in return, you'll have to give them a part of the revenue that you generate from that particular sale or from that particular advertisement. Next slide. Now, how do we find affiliate marketers across the web? There are tons of affiliate marketers out there. How do we find them? So first, by joining affiliate networks like ShareAScale, CJ Affiliate, and Amazon Associates that connects merchants and all the affiliate marketers out there. As we know, Amazon is the biggest affiliate marketing site in the world right now. By joining these networks, we can gain access to a pool of potential affiliates, or simply we can promote our website as well. But for starting, doing these things will be a much better option. The second one is looking for social media influencers, bloggers, YouTubers who have a presence online and have a following. However, we should also find people in our niche so that their following can become our target audience. Third, Googling the major keywords, finding the websites that rank first page of Google search but do not sell their own products. For example, Amazon, eBay, all these websites, they sign up with different companies and sell their products instead of making their own products and selling them. Attending industry conferences. Now, this is the most important part. You need to be a part of the community who do the similar type of things in order to know what needs to be done and what needs to be avoided, right? So next slide, please. Sir, actually, this is not the slide I sent you. I made some changes, and that is why I sent it in the evening. I'll tag you in that. It has some additional information that I needed to share. Yes, sir, I tagged you. Yes, sir. So the 13th slide, that is where we, yes, sir. So, like I said, attending various industry conferences are very important. Here are the two industry conferences that Sir attended in order to know what's going on in the industry, and it is actually very good. It is there on the social media handle if you want to see. So next slide, please. And can you please put it on slideshow? It's not neat this way. Yes, sir. Now, what are we willing to do for our affiliate marketers, or why should these affiliate marketers choose us when there are thousands of other platforms available? So first, traffic. Well, yes, traffic is definitely the oxygen of affiliate marketing. At Elementi, we promise that we'll increase the traffic on our site in order so that it will be profitable for all of our affiliate marketers. Web traffic can be an affiliate marketer's greatest asset, allowing it to attract top paying advertisers rather than soliciting business through cold calling, email blasts, and other time consuming business to business marketing strategies. Our plan is to use different social media attractions to attract all the age groups towards the website so that affiliates can earn through clicks. Pretty economical, isn't it? Now, revenue. Second is revenue. The thing that we promise is revenue. The end goal of any affiliate marketing program is to bring in the revenue, right? Affiliate marketers can be paid in a number of ways, including each time a website visitor clicks an advertisement or every time a click leads to a sale. At Elemente, we promise a 10% flat commission on every sale. Yes, on every single product. We give you 10% commission worth the product. And not just this, but every affiliate on their target completion will get products worth 30% of the sale. Isn't it a win-win situation for all of us? At the onset, affiliates will be paid different bonuses based on the points they'll score on the leaderboard. We plan to create a leaderboard ranking which will be based on the points that affiliate marketers will get based on their performance, on how quick they are achieving their target, or how much they are able to bring in other affiliates in the scheme. That would be the parameters on which they'll be judged and given points. We ought to give them separately a specific discount coupon on their social media handle or any other website they'll be using to promote the product, which will increase their sales and ultimately increase the revenue generated. For example, if affiliate A is doing way better than affiliate B, we'll try to give different coupon codes which will be giving different amount of discounts. Say affiliate A's coupon code will give 50% discount on a particular product, and affiliate B's coupon code will give 30% discount on some product, then ultimately is that the previous slide only? I was talking about that. Yes. So as the product would be cheaper in affiliate A's website or blog or any other thing, people will ultimately go there. So in that case, the traffic will increase, the revenue will increase for affiliate A, and the profit will be more for the company as well as for the affiliate. It all depends upon the performance. Who'll do better will earn more. Affiliate of the month or the leaderboard topper will be given a surprise gift at the end of every quarter. These principles will make sure that all the affiliates are engaged as well as they realize that the competition is very tough in the market. If they start slacking, they'll be out of the business. Next slide, please. Now, cost and profitability. Affiliate marketing companies employ a lean business model, often managing all operations from a home office with the business owner as a sole employee. At Elemente, so you'll have to press enter for the text to come. Yeah, we at Elemente provide the affiliates the opportunity to work from wherever they are in the world, be it home or any other office they're attached to. They can work from anywhere. There is flexibility. They won't have to travel to the office, which will save their money, their time, and their energy. So next slide, please. The next slide. Yeah. Now, another thing is bustling social media handle. More followers equals to more profits. A good social media handle unlocks perks like more user interaction, advertisement of the company, and popularity among almost all the age groups. Now, social media is something that is open to almost all the age groups in the world as of now. If we're talking about our parents, what is the social media app that they use the most? Facebook. Teenagers, what is the social media app they use the most? Snapchat or Instagram? There are many of social media apps that people use nowadays, and the best way to find affiliators is to make a good social media handle. Biggest companies like Nike, Amol, Nestle, they have very interactive social media handle where they are posting polls, quizzes, memes all day long in order to attract people from all over the world. Now, here is some social media content I created. It's actually an example with reference to the recent social media trends that is going on all the apps. First is the chill guy meme. Like, there is not a single guy who's not aware of the chill guy meme as of now, isn't it? So the second one, you'll have to press enter. Then there is the Drake meme, of course. And here I've used the name of the competitor because it actually it gives you the limelight. If you target a very big company, you come in the limelight. For example, Samsung and Apple. Samsung is always targeting iPhone, that whatever feature iPhone misses, Samsung is quick to point that out and state it directly that iPhone doesn't have this particular feature. And that is why Samsung is always in the limelight due to the feud. Like, the main part of marketing is to be in the limelight. Whatever means or ways you come in the limelight, it doesn't matter. Limelight is all that matters. Then is the guy meme, of course. We know countless memes about this. So the next one. Then the UNO card meme and the girl who burned the whole house meme is also very popular. And the last one, is the Leonardo DiCaprio meme, which was very famous, like insanely famous. Then the last slide is actually the video, which I made for the advertisement.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
शमी, ये लो हल्दी वाला दूध पी लो सोने से पहले।
मम्मी, पर हम इस हल्दी को कैसे ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं?
बेटा, ये जो हल्दी वाला दूध है ना, ये सदियों से दादी नानी इस पर ट्रस्ट करती आई हैं। और जानती हो, जब मैं तुम्हारी तरह थी ना, तो मेरी मम्मी भी जब भी मुझे सर्दी खांसी होती थी, बस हल्दी वाला दूध पिलाती थी और चुटकियों में मेरी सर्दी गायब हो जाती थी। तो ये भरोसे की बात है बेटा, ये सदियों से चला आ रहा है, ठीक है?
Okay, Mama.
Okay,
So, yes, sir. So
that's
here's
all.
the advertisement. Yes, sir. That's it. And
Okay.
I'll be saying something about the advertisement as well.
Yeah, please, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So like I have not really pointed out anything why you should go for Elementor, because I think I stated most of that in the presentation itself. And something like there's another reason why I haven't done that. Every other person in the market, whenever they're putting out a food product, all they do is talk about how nutritious their product is or what ingredients they've put into product. But do you think that is all that is required? All we need in today's world is the connection and the trust we need to build with a person who's buying a product. They do not need to know about the ingredients or anything. They can read it behind the label, like that we put on the product. What is required is the trust that we give to the person who is buying it. At Elemente, we don't offer verbal promises. Instead, we share a piece of our love and heart in our products. Thank you so much.